In another sneak out of holiday, Mnangagwa is once again violated his holiday to appoint the Defense Minister of Muchinguri in the place of his deputy Constantino Chiwenga. Salambira mashoko amdanyogwa panapa mzora nazo libo subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tivina mbepa now panapa mzimu ai mdanyora chiti Muchinguri. Yes, been flown to Ghana as an acting president of Zimbabwe after the inauguration ceremony of Ghana's president-elect John Dramani Mahama. Muchinguri's presence has increased the noise of speculation of rift between President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his deputy Chiwenga. Recent political developments in Zimbabwe have fueled rumors of tension between the two leaders. In Chiwenga's absence at such a significant event is likely to deepen suspicions of discord at the highest levels of government. It also comes at a time when Chiwenga is being threatened with so-called crocodile milk in a prayer by a provincial party chairperson. This decision to send Defense Minister Muchinguri instead of Vice President Chiwenga suggests increasing prominence in regional diplomacy as an acting head of state apparent, even though the appointed person is Kempo Mohadi. Zim-I can confirm Muchinguri is booked in at a cheap budget hotel together with a husband since last night, awaiting today's ceremony. Ndo mashoko aiwa anogudiswa navakomana vemzimu aya vachiti aiwa chitiko ichi chakaitika aiwa musi waJanuary 8 vatona kuti the inauguration ceremony panoonekwa kunzi aiwa opa Muchinguri aiwa anorepresenta aiwa the deputy president kunyange zvavo varipo panguva inoi zvanyatsokupa maspeculations ekunyatsokuona kuti there is all struggle kumusoro uko aiwa kuda kutungana kuri kuitika zvatona kuti opa Muchinguri aunyatsokuona kuti aiwa he is taking a vital role and most likely anogona kungodonedza someone musoro ikoko. Mpotedza mafungiro enyu motodii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndakumesection medu kutidza mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like